This is the 1600-watt Prime TX-1600 Noctua edition, manufactured by Seasonic, with a current MSRP of $569. It is a fully modular ATX 3.1 power supply with an additional hybrid fan mode allowing passive operation for low loads. The power supply comes in sturdy packaging and measures 150 by 86 by 210 millimeters. Considering cable flexibility, it has an effective depth of 250 millimeters. The Prime TX-1600 Noctua edition is accompanied by the accessories as shown and supported by a 12-year warranty. This warranty period is as expected for a power supply of this class. The fully modular cables are of excellent quality. They have individually sleeved insulation and are really flexible. They should cause no problems while building and cable managing your computer. The provided cable set includes two 12-volt 2x6 cables, allowing it to power all types of high-wattage GPUs. This Prime TX-1600 is built on the same framework as the original model, but is designed in collaboration with Noctua and integrates a 120mm NF-A12x25 fan for effective cooling with very little noise. This collaboration features Noctua's signature brown color on the chassis as well as on the cables. LTT Labs conducted all of the following testing at an ambient temperature of 20 degrees Celsius. The full test suite, including tests at extended temperature ranges, is available on the lab's website linked in the description. But before we get to the test results, here's a message from our sponsor. Thanks to Private Internet Access for sponsoring this video. We've been using their secure, high-speed VPN for years, and you can too. Get a special deal by going to pia.com/PSUcircuit. The Prime TX-1600 Noctua edition carries an 80+ titanium rating, and we have measured 94% efficiency at 50% of its maximum rated load. That is equivalent to power supplies in a similar class. Throughout the full rated output power range of 1600 watts, there was a 0.242 volt voltage drop on the 12-volt rail inside of ATX specifications and worse than other power supplies we've tested. The rest of the output rails met ATX specifications. This performance is as expected and will support a variety of component configurations. The peak-to-peak signal ripple of the fully loaded power supply's 12-volt rail was better than average for its price and wattage at 24 millivolts. While the 5-volt and 3.3-volt rails had signal ripple of 14 millivolts and 18 millivolts respectively. Modern power supplies typically have no issue complying with ATX ripple specifications, but this unit stands out for its stability. We test a power supply's resilience to momentary power dropouts and ripples using our brownout test that interrupts the input power for a few milliseconds. This allows us to measure how long of a power dropout the sample can sustain without interrupting the output power. The Prime TX-1600 Noctua edition was measured to withstand a 13 millisecond dropout at full rated load for both 115-volt and 230-volt inputs. This unit performs similarly to other power supplies. The Excursion test momentarily applies up to 200% of the rated load to test a power supply's ability to support components that may temporarily require more than their rated current. The Prime TX-1600 Noctua edition withstood all of the excursions but failed to maintain ATX voltage limits in a few cases. This is unlikely to impact reliability for a vast majority of workloads. The Prime TX-1600 Noctua edition is equipped with the protections as listed, providing the full suite of protections for you and your equipment. We measured the overpower protection to engage at a maximum of 139% of rated load, while the 12-volt rail alone is capable of 185 amps, 139% of its rating. This is equivalent to similarly rated power supplies, offering good protection against component faults while also allowing the power draw to slightly exceed the official rating. We recommend the Prime TX-1600 Noctua edition because of its unique construction, low ripple noise, and excellent cables. For full specifications and test results, follow the link to the product page on the LTT Labs website.